Okay, so Hubsan 501. Played out to death, right? I love that quad. Some don't. But you have the S. You have the C, you have the S, you have the SS, you have the A, you have the M. But going back to the S, then we go to the SS. Why? Because there's a new board. Two different firmwares. Yet the SS on the box says S. When you're ordering it, it says S. You look at the firmware in your menu, it says S. If you take the firmware from the S and you put it into your ZINO, or I'm sorry, your 501 SS, you're going to screw it up. So all this craziness of playing that 501 out to death with the S, the SS, people still don't know what they have. Obviously they have the SS now because they quit making the S, but it's confusion. So then we go and jump into the H109S. H109S Pro. H109S Standard, Advanced, Pro, whatever you want to call it. They're all based on gimbal, non-gimbal, or 3-axis gimbal, single-axis gimbal. The difference in compass, front left leg, rear right leg. Again, craziness with the firmware. You mix one of those up and you screw up your quad because it's all based on that compass location. Can throw you into a nasty toilet bowl, fly away, whatever, and you're done. So now we have ZINO. ZINO Y. ZINO Pro. What's next? ZINO Pro Y? ZINO Pro? It's crazy. It's just craziness. I just wanted to get all that off my chest. Does anybody else think it's just crazy how Hubsan does things compared to other companies? Other drone manufacturers out there make a model, ride it out a little bit, and they're moving on. They're making the next model. So my plea is, Hubsan, please stop with the Hubsan Pro. Stop right there. Then move on and get into the technology of something with sensors on the bottom. Avoidance sensors on the front. Just improve upon what you already have. Don't make this one have every letter in the alphabet attached to it, as you have different versions and all these different versions of firmware, and people bricking their quads because they're confused with the firmware, which is already confusing enough to upgrade, and it's just craziness. So Hubsan, please stop with the ZINO Pro. It's driving me insane, all these different changes that we're finding. We got a new board. We got 3 different cameras. We got the ZINO Y versus the ZINO. We got the ZINO Pro on pre-order. It's insane. All right, that's it. Just want to get that off my chest. Thanks for listening. Take care.